Hey you guys, welcome to the channel. I have been so busy these last few days, let me tell you. I went out yesterday and I cut the grass. I went out today and I was working in my shed, and I just found out I can maybe do something for 20 to 30 minutes and I am in pain. I'm like, this hurts a lot. So anyway, I don't have a lot to tell you guys other than the fact my phone that I use to record on, it's not letting me record anymore. So that's why it's taking me so long to post videos for you guys. So I'm going to try and get me a video camera so that I can just download onto my laptop rather than plugging up my phone with all my videos and stuff. And it's like, I miss you guys so much and I wanted to talk to you, and I love all the comments I'm getting and all the new subscribers who are coming in and watching my videos and asking me stuff, and then I can direct them to another video that explains some things. You guys are awesome. It's like I haven't made any videos, but you guys are watching my videos, and I can't even tell you how happy that makes me. And, oh, got my first Mother's Day flowers today. Yep, I was so happy. I heard the doorbell ring, and I was like, who is that? I was just getting ready to get dressed. So I heard a truck pull off. I said, oh, what is that? I forgot. It's Mother's Day weekend. Woo, and I'm a mother. But, yeah, I got my first flowers from my oldest son and his husband. So I am extremely happy. I got my first Mother's Day gift for the weekend. And I think tomorrow I might have company where my sister and nephew and brother come over and we make barbecue or something. And I may record a little bit of that. A lot of my family don't really want to be on camera, so I might have to just record their feet or something. Blur their face. But another thing, you guys, I've been doing this carnivore diet, and so far I love it because I'm not hungry. I was getting to the point where I was snacking at night, eating sweets, just craving sweets. And I saw a friend of mine, and she had lost, I think she said 20 or 30 pounds, and because I didn't even recognize her. She had lost so much weight. I said, what are you doing? She said, the carnivore diet. And I remember trying it when I was younger, and I had lost weight, but I lost my appetite as well. So I kind of got scared and went off of it. But I actually need it now because it also says the carnivore diet helps to decrease inflammation in your body. And I'm arthritic, and I have inflammation throughout my body. So I figured, well, maybe this will help and give me more energy, because I had lost my energy. I didn't want to do anything. And so I'm going to try that. You know, as we get older, we have to keep our energy level high as possible. And that's what I'm trying to do. And so I see a lot of older people are using the carnivore diet. So I'm going to try it. I'm going to try it. And I'm just giving you guys updates on what's going on in my life. I have joined a dating site, and I'm talking to people and, you know, being very careful. And I had someone 35 wanting to be my friend, and I told him, no, I have children older than you. And he was like, you don't want just a friend? I said, no, I'm not looking for friends here. And, you know, normally that would have made me feel good, but it kind of made me feel creepy. And I'm like, And I was telling my son about it, my younger son. He was like, well, Mom, you got to, you know people going to find you attractive. I'm like, yeah, but not that young, you know. And so he and I talked for a little bit, and he was, you know, excited that I'm ready to start dating again and, you know, hopefully meet somebody, and we'll see where that goes. And I'll keep you guys posted on all of that. But I appreciate you guys subscribing to my other channel, Budget Wise Cooking. And I'm still over there cooking. And, let's see, and what else? Oh, and we're going to have a camping night in July. My neighbor and I want to do a camp night, so we're going to do that where we just camp out in our yard, barbecue, have some people come over, sleep in tents all night. We want to do that overnight thing, so we're going to do that. And so I was cleaning out my shed because we want tiki lights, which I have tiki lights. I have some citronella candles, so I was just making sure I had the things I said I had. And I found some stuff in there that got me kind of excited. You won't believe what it was. I'll show you. I got extremely excited when I found this box of crayons and these coloring books. And I've had these coloring books since 2014 or so, and I was looking through it and I saw some of the, because I had bought it for my grandsons, and because they used to stay with me all the time and we would color. And it just made me so happy, you know. And now they're all in Florida, so I don't get to spend that grandma time with them like I want. And they would color pictures, and we'd sit and color, and I'd take them to the store, and they were some of the best kids because they didn't ask me for anything. You know, I'd tell them, I'm not going to be able to get you guys anything from the store, so don't ask. And guess what? They didn't ask. Very well-mannered kids. So, they are now, my oldest is 17. My oldest, is he 17? Yeah, he's 17 now. And, is he 17? I think he's 17. I always forget, is he 17 or 16? He's 17. He'll be 18 in December. Ooh-wee, I can't, my boy, that's my baby. Now that one, oh my God, his mom would leave him with me and go off to school or whatever, and that was my baby. Because my son at the time, he was out of state, so his mom, she would just be like, here's your grandbaby, I'll see you when I see you. I'm like, no problem. And I had no problem watching him. He was the best child. And people thought he was my kid. A friend of mine, when he was first born, I had him all the time. I would go over every day to babysit so she could go to school. And I had a picture of me holding him, and a friend of mine, she was like, did you have a baby? I was like, no, this is my grandson. So that was a great experience for me as a grandmother to spend so much time with him. And I have other grandkids that I just, you know, I haven't had a chance to spend that kind of quality time with them. I love them and everything, but I just don't have that attachment that I had with my older one. Because, you know, I haven't really spent any time with them, and I don't get a chance to know them like that. But anyway, I shouldn't be talking about that. Anyway, I guess Mother's Day's coming, and it just kind of made me think about my life, you know. I have 3 beautiful boys. I have 5 wonderful grandkids, and it's a wonderful thing. So life is good, and I've been having fun with my cat, running through the house, chasing her. She's chasing me. We've been having fun. But yeah, I need to get me a new camera so that I can videotape every day if I want to, because I'll be able to hold the storage. Right now my phone is not letting me hold the storage. I'm actually using an old phone. And I have this iPhone, and if anybody can tell me how to clean it to get some of my videos off, please tell me how to do it, because I have erased so many good videos and pictures, and now I'm upset because I've lost a lot of good things on there. And so now I'm using my old Android phone to videotape on, but I don't want to do too much because I don't know how long it'll last on me, you know. But you guys, I just had to come on here and tell you how much I appreciate you guys. I love the fact you are watching my videos, and I am trying to answer every comment I can. And when there's something negative or not coming out in a good light and you're saying things, I'm going to just remove your comment, because I don't want negativity on my channel, period. I don't want nobody talking about nobody and all that good stuff. So, but you guys take care of yourselves, stay blessed, stay safe, and mwah! And happy Mother's Day if I don't talk to you before Mother's Day. Take care of yourselves. Bye.